Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create menu items with and without section headers in native macOS application with Swift. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here I have one simple app. There is nothing in the app, but here at the top you see I have created this menu option called my menu. This file, edit, format, view, window and help are present by default if you create a native macOS application with Swift using Xcode. But here I have added one more option called my menu. So if I click on my menu, the first item which you see is this is a normal menu item, as well as the last item which you see is a normal menu item. But this thing which you see, item 1, item 2 and section 1, so these are created using section headers. Actually this item is also created using section header, which I will talk about later on when I show you guys the code. But the last item is not created using section headers. This is completely a standalone item on its own. And here I have this one more item called new sports, and if you click on it, it has sub menus inside it. So suppose if I click on first title, if I show you the dialog, so here you can see first title was clicked. If I click on something else, item 3, here you can see item 3 was clicked. If I click on something else, third title was selected. So anyways, so let's see how to do this. So first I have created a native macOS application with AppKit. Next thing is, inside your app delegate, we don't have to do anything inside our view controller. Everything is within the app delegate itself. So I have created this ns status item called status item. Then we are first checking whether we have the main menu or not. If yes, then we create an ns menu item. Here we create a sub menu, so here you can change the name to whatever you feel like. Now coming to section headers, so this is how you create section headers. So here firstly I told you, right, this is a standalone item, but even though it is kind of inside the section header, but not really exactly. So here you can see I have just initialized one item. Now I want to display one section header, so you can use something like this. Inside that I can create items like this. Okay, the key equivalent, I'm not really sure why it's not working. I thought it might be a shortcut key, I'm not really sure, but I have tried it, it's not working for me. But in case if you know what's the right why it is not working, or maybe it's working for you, do let me know in the comments. And here this selector is basically the action. So whenever an item has been clicked, this particular method gets called, which I will show you shortly. So this is what is section headers. Now suppose I want to create an item, I don't care about this section headers, I just want to create a menu item. So you can use something like this to create your own menu items. Okay, so here you can similarly create sub menus and add it to our sub menu. Okay, next suppose I want to display menu within menus. So here you can see I have created a menu item called new sports. Then I have created this ns menu. So pass whatever title you want, we just loop through it, we create ns menu item and I add it to our menu, palette menu. And here I just set sub menu, pass our new palette menu for sports menu item. Then we add sports menu item to our sub menu. Then we just assign our new menu item dot sub menu to our sub menu, and then we just do main menu dot add item, new menu item. That's it. And here I have added this particular method. Whenever an item is clicked, we get to know which particular item was clicked. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.